My name is Michael Gay Parker, and I would like to share with you guys my autobiography titled Broken and Restored, the true story of an ex-con who lost his freedom but regained his faith. It is a powerful testimony of God's hope, God's mercy, and God's love. I was raised in church for over 25 years, but after being hurt in the church, I intentionally ran from God. I chose my own path, and this path was riddled with drugs, alcohol, sex, and I became angry at life and angry at God, and this anger sent me to prison for 5 years. But it was in prison that Jesus revealed his love to me in a unique way. As you read my story, I believe you will laugh, I believe you will cry, but most importantly, I believe you will read how the blood of Jesus can restore a broken life once it is submitted into his healing hands. If you would like to purchase a copy, you can do so by going to my website, michaelgayparker.com, and I will personally autograph one and mail it to you, or you can go to amazon.com. Through God's grace, and only through God's grace, I entered prison broken, but I left restored.